Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the electric motor. Electric motor is a rotating device which is used to convert electrical energy into the mechanical energy, and it is used in electric fans, washing machine, water pumps, etc. Next, the principle of the electric motor. Electric motor is based on the principle that when a rectangular coil is placed in a magnetic field, two equal and opposite forces acts on this coil which rotates the coil continuously. Next, construction. Electric motor consists of a strong magnet, north pole of the magnet and south pole of the magnet, and a rectangular coil A, B, C, D, and it is connected to the battery. Next, the rings R1 and R2. These two rings are connected with brush X and brush Y. The function of these R1 and R2 rings, these two rings act as a commutator. The function of the commutator is to reverse the direction of the current. Next, working. Let the coil ABCD coil be placed in a horizontal position. When the key is switched on, the current start flowing through the brush X in the coil and come back through the brush Y back to the battery. Now no force acts on the arm BC and arm AD because these two arms are placed parallel to the magnetic field, and by applying Fleming left hand rule, we find that arm AB experiences a force in downward direction, and arm CD experiences a force in upward direction. Therefore, the coil rotates in a anti-clockwise direction. Clear? After that, while rotating, the coil reaches the vertical position. These brushes, brush X and Y, loses its contact with these rings R1 and R2. So the current stops flowing, but the coil doesn't stop rotating because of inertia of motion, because we know that by inertia of motion we have a body cannot change its position of motion immediately. So the coil keeps rotating. When the coil passes through the vertical position, then these rings automatically change their position and come in contact with the opposite brushes. Means R2 ring now come in contact with brush X and R1 ring come in contact with brush Y. So the direction of the current get reversed, but these commutators are reverse the direction of current. So the force on the right hand side is always upward, and force on the left hand side is always in downward direction, and the coil continues to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. Thanks.